Hello everyone. Let's talk about keeping your HP OfficeJet Pro or page-wide printer running smoothly. Specifically, we're diving into the Micron's CN459-60375 Duplex module assembly, also known as the waste ink collection unit. This component is crucial for printers like the OfficeJet Pro X451, X476, X551, X576 series, and page-wide X576, X586 models, including the E55650 and E58650. Essentially, this assembly is responsible for collecting excess ink during printer cleaning cycles. The part numbers you might see associated with it are CN598-67004, CN459-40630, CN459-60375, and even B5L09A. So, if you're encountering issues related to waste ink, these are the numbers to keep in mind. The Micron's unit is designed to be a direct replacement. The manufacturer claims it works just like the original, making the replacement process straightforward. You simply remove the old unit and install this one. No complicated procedures are needed. Compatibility is key, and this duplex module assembly is compatible with a wide range of HP printers, including the OfficeJet Pro X451DN, X451DW, X476DW, X476DN, X551DW, X556DN, and various page-wide models like the X576DW, X586DN, 586DN, 556XH, 586Z, 586F, 556, 586 E55650, E58650, 352DW, 377DW, for 52DW, 577DW, for 77DW, P55250DW, and P57750DW printers. Before purchasing, double-check the appearance and model number to ensure it matches your original part. This will save you time and hassle. The package includes one CN459-60375 Duplex module assembly. If you run into any questions or issues, the manufacturer says they are ready to assist.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.